Hello everyone and welcome to part 10 of the sc10 factory team kit build series. Part 10 we're going to be building or assembling the rear arm section of the kit. So what we'll need for the kit is the rear chassis plate, suspension arms, obviously the hinge pins, the necessary screws. All the necessary screws are provided. Now what we have here, this is for tuning. Now what this is the rear arm mount, and what you have 4 of them, okay, and they range from 2.5 degrees to 4 degrees. So the whole idea is if I am correct, it is to, it looks like it has something to do with the adjusting the toe, rear toe of the rear arms. So in the kit for the factory setting it says to use the 3.5, which is this one. So we do not need these rear arm mounts. So what we need to do is first get the suspension arms. What we might do first is we have all the little screws, because what you need to do is you mount the arm and then you have the rear mount, arm mount go on the back here. Oh, upside down, sorry. About here. So what we'll do first is you have the small screws, which means we'll need the little Dubro Allen driver, and we'll put it in. Again, yeah, I'd probably say this every video that I've done so far. Don't over tighten it. It's only plastic. Well, being a factory team kit, some parts are probably going to be carbon graphite, be a little bit stronger. But I mean, there are plastic parts in this obviously, so you do want to take some care. Now, for the initial mounting, we will put this is the front, that's the rear. What we'll do now is we'll have to take note too of the suspension arms. Okay, so yeah, because they're not marked left or right, they do have a little notch there for maybe if you have like sway arms put in there. And notice the shape, foot straight along there, curves down. So that's going to be going there. Alrighty, so what we'll do is we'll put that arm through, and put that through there, repeat, rinse and repeat. Okay, another thing too is you have the anti-squat shims. Now this, by the looks of it, is the 1 degree. It would be actually nice if they had, oh yeah, that's 1, that's 2, so you need the 2 degree one. Now, what am I looking for? Here we go. So the anti-squat is going to go underneath, like that. That's how it's going to go. So what we'll do is we'll put first of all we'll get the suspension arms in. Interesting. Okay, we'll just, obviously I don't want to force it, so just a case of a bit of patience. It's not binding. Make sure, like I said to you, do like little test fits. It's not binding. Where'd the little squat thing go? There it is. So then we'll slide that underneath, like so. Still not binding, that's good. Okay, now we put all the screws seem to be the same size. Yes, yes, yes. Just do it in finger tight first. Okay, just do it. Okay, so we'll need that one. Nice. They move freely. Just make sure once you've screwed it all together, move the arms around. Yeah, moves nice. Alrighty, so we'll turn the page. Ooh. Okay, so now this part, move the transmission. This part means we'll be flipping it over and putting it on like so. It looks like I've made a mistake, so this is actually the front. I mean, you'd think after building a B4 buggy I'd actually know, but it's been a while. So screws go in. Now we screw it in. Damn. Alrighty folks, that's the rear part of the rear suspension done. So we'll stop there and stay tuned for part 11.